Hello, here is Mr. Z, your math coach. Today we're going to learn how to convert a fraction to a decimal number. You'll see you have three type of fraction. You got 1/4, which is what kind of fraction? There we go. That is a proper fraction. Why? Because the top number is less than the bottom number. You have a fraction like 11/3. That one is an improper fraction. Why? Because the top number is greater than the bottom number. We have a mixed number like 2, 1/2. A mixed number is a combination of a whole number and what kind of fraction? A proper fraction. So I will teach you quick. How do you convert a fraction to a decimal number? All right. So since a lot of school, they allow you to use your calculator to in your class, in your exam. Like 1/4, how do you convert that to a decimal number? It means what? Get 1 divided by 4. Now, if the instruction is telling you round your answer to the second place after the decimal point, it means you will have to stop at the 100th place, at the second place, or to the second place after decimal. All right, so in this case, 1 divided by 4, you will have a 0.25. All right, do 11 divided by 3, and please stop to the second place. Okay, stop to the second place. Do 11 divided by 3. All right, dear friend, let's do 11 divided by 3. So the instruction is for you to stop at the second place after the decimal point. Sometimes they can tell you stop at the first place, which is the 10th. Stop at the second place, which is the 100th. Stop at the third place, which is the 1000th. So you have to know the rule of the rounding. If you do not know how to round, you may just need to check the video on how to round to the nearest tenth, 100th, 1000. That will help you. All right, 11/3. What kind of fraction is that one? It's improper fraction. 11 divided by 3, you got 3.6666. Since we're going to stop at the second place, 3.6, we cannot just write 3.66, no. Since we are stopping at the second place, we have to look at what number come right after what we're supposed to stop. The number that come after that, it is a 5 or greater, we round up. Since we're supposed to stop at 3.66, after 6, there is another 6. This is going to become 7. All right? Let's do 4 divided by 5. What kind of fraction is this? This is a proper fraction. Remember, a proper fraction, whenever you're converting, pay attention. Whenever you're converting a proper fraction to a decimal number, your result always gonna be less than 1. If you're converting an improper fraction to a decimal, your answer is gonna be greater than 1. Like 11 by 3 is a 3.67, that is greater than 1. 1 divided by 4, that is a proper fraction, the answer is 0.25. It's less than 1. Let's do 4 divided by 5. Since that one too, it's a proper fraction, you will see that 4 divided by 5 is going to give you 0.8. 0.8, it's less than 1. All right. How do you convert your mixed number to a decimal number? Dear friend, I'm going to teach you this thing quick. Some of you are going to go and convert this to improper fraction, and then you will simplify, correct? But let's learn quick how to do this as a shortcut. So you know this expression right there can be written as 1 plus 3.5. Yeah, there we go. This can be written as a 2 plus 1/2. 3/1/4 can be written as a 3 plus 1/4. 4 2/3 can be written as a 4 plus 2/3. 12 1/4 can be written as a 12 plus 1/4. So a mixed number can be expanded as a whole number plus that proper fraction. So you know 3 divided by 5, then I can do that quick. 3 divided by 5, you will get 0.63 divided by 5. You will get 0.6. Now you add to 1. You will have that one give you 1.6. That's how you go from a mixed number to the other one. So let's do this one here as a shortcut. So I'm going to get a 2 plus 1/2. All right. This is going to give me 2. Let's see. This is going to give us 2. This is going to give us 2.5. So if you convert this to improper fraction, you're going to have a 2 times 2, 4 plus 1, 5. You're going to have a 5 divided by 2. The answer is 2.5. So this one here, it's going to be 3 plus 1/4. So you go ahead and do 1 divided by 4. You got 0.25 plus 3. You will get 3.25. So you can either convert that to a mixed number, to improper fraction, and divide. All right, so 33 divided by 10. This one here, it's a improper fraction. So since we divided by 10, we're going to move. We're going to put a decimal. Anytime you divide any number by 10, all right, if there is not a 0, well, if it's improper fraction, you'll put the decimal from right to left. Since we're dividing it by 10, you'll put the decimal one place from right to left. So I'm going to get 3.3. Here, I'm dividing by 100 is an improper fraction. I'll move my decimal 2 places from right to left. I'll move that from right. I get to 0, then I get to 5. So this one here is going to be 2.5. This one here, I'm going to move my decimal 3 places. I'm start from right. I'm going to put my decimal from right to left. So I move to 9, then I move to 5, then I move to 3. So this one here, I'm going to have a 0.359. But if you're not sure how to do that, use your calculator. All right. So let's break this right here quick as improper fraction. Let's do that as improper fraction. 3 times 4. 12 plus 2, 4 times 3, you got 12 plus 2, you got 14. So you got 14 over 3. So get your calculator, then do 14 divided by 3. Now they say you have to round to the second place after the decimal. So you're going to have a 4. Since you got 666, you got 4.67. All right, so this one here, you can expand it as a 12. You can make it as a mix, as a improper fraction, or you can expand it. It becomes 1/4. All right. So when you do, as we did before, 1 divided by 4, you got 0.25 plus 12, and you got 12. This one here, you're gonna have a 12.25. All right. Let's do this one here. This is a case of improper fraction. So you're going to have a 75 divided by 50. You got 1.5. All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is how you convert a fraction to a decimal number. Go ahead, divide the top number by the bottom number. If your instructor have told you, stop at the second place, stop at the second place, but follow the rule of rounding to the second place or to the first place or to the third place. All right, until next time, be blessed. Do not forget, you gotta practice. More you do practice, more you're going to get the hang of it. But if you learn, you don't do practice, it's much easier for you to forget about this after 2 days, after 3 months, after 5 months. But when you get to nursing school, you have to learn how to carry over with you whatever you are learning in the different classes. All right? Be blessed. Until next time, I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.